છો કે આળસ મળો છો, શું કરો છો? ખબર નથી પડતી. હા? What? Explain Golgi apparatus. Come on. સીધો બેસ પેલા. આપણે ચલો. Get up and get out. I didn't see you drinking water. Get out. સીતા મેમને બોલાવું? હવે વાત આવશે ને હું સીધા બહાર મૂકી દઈશ અને નહીં બહાર બોલાવીશ. કરવું એવું? ચલો આગળ કરીએ. લાઈસોસોમ 10 કરાંગે પેજ નંબર 65. હવે અવાજ ન કરતા બોલો. But I have not yet started the lecture. Sit down. લેક્ચર નોટ્સ બનાવો છો કે નથી બનાવતા? લેક્ચરમાં હું જે કઈ શીખવાડું છું એ લેક્ચર નોટ્સ લખો છો કે નથી લખતા? ઓકે બસ ઓકે ડન. પૂરું વાત પતી ગઈ બેટા. મને શરૂ તો કરવા દે. ઓકે લાઈક કાંઈ નથી કર્યું. ઓકે વોટ આર લાઇસોસોમ્સ? આપણે એન્ડોપ્લાઝમિક રેટિક્યુલમ પતી ગયું છે અને ગોલ્ગી અપેરેટસ પતી ગયું છે. રિવિઝન આપું? ક્વિક રિવિઝન આપું? નો નીડ નો? ઓકે બસ. We did beta. Golgi apparatus is completed. But okay, what are lysosomes now? Lysosomes, first of all, membrane bound organelle, okay? Biju, it has got digestive enzymes. Okay, first of all, lysosome is a membrane bound organelle. Beta, sit straight. Sit straight. Second, it has got digestive enzymes. Lysosomes are membrane bound organelles. Second, it has got digestive enzymes in it. Third, these enzymes are made by endoplasmic reticulum. જ્યારે આપણે endoplasmic reticulum ની વાત કરતા હતા, we said that they produce proteins and lipids as well as fats. So here the digestive enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay? The digestive enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now what does it do? Lysosomes, they are present in lysosomes, but they are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay? These help to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material as well as worn out cells such as bacteria or food as well as old organelles. શું કરે છે? What does it do? The old organelles, the damaged organelles, if there are foreign particles in the cell such as bacteria or any food particle, lysosome will digest it. એને digest કરીને એને destroy કરી નાખશે. Okay? So it helps to keep the cell clean. Clean from bacteria, food, foreign particles, and Worn out cells. Worn out cells એટલે the cells which are already damaged and destroyed. Okay? Understood? Foreign materials entering the cells such as bacteria or food as well as old organelles end up in lysosomes. તો આ બધી જ વસ્તુ છે lysosomes માં જતી રહે છે which break complex substances into simpler material. Complex means complicated. Simpler આવું છે મને દેખા જાના બાર હાયા ના બોલ. Okay. Lysosomes are able to do this because they contain powerful digestive enzymes. How do they digest these complex substances? With the help of digestive enzymes. They can digest anything. They can digest old cell organelles. Cell agar purana ho gaya, if they are worn out, if they are damaged, then they will go to the lysosomes. If there is something in the lysosome will burst itself, खुद ही फूट जाएंगे और उसके डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम से खुद ही डैमेज हो जाएंगे. So that's why they are also known as suicide bags. Understood? They are known as suicide bags because if they feel that the damage has done to the cell, then the lysosome itself will burst, the digestive enzymes will come out, and the cell will die because of its own digestive enzymes. कहाँ पे? या rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. Okay. Complex materials means any material. It can be food, it can be bacteria, it can be the cell itself, it can be the old cell organelles, यानी के Golgi body है, mitochondria है, rough endoplasmic reticulum है. If they are old and we do not need them anymore in the cell, then they will go into the lysosome and the lysosome will digest it. ખાઈ નો જાય ડાયજેસ્ટ કરી જાય એના જ્યુસીસ થી એ સિમ્પલ સબસ્ટન્સીસ માં કન્વર્ટ થઈ જાય. Worn out cells. WORN, worn out cells. Okay? Should I explain it once again? So lysosomes are first of all membrane bound organelles. They are filled with digestive enzymes made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. Worn out cells. With the help of digestive enzymes. Okay? And they will burst and kill their own cell. So that's why they are called suicide bags. Okay? Clear everybody? बात से बात करिए. One kind. And sit straight. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to mitochondria. Lysosome is clear, everybody? Sometimes you lysosome. What is he doing? પાછળ. શું કરો છો બેટા? Who said that?
You told me that, so I can.
મજા આવે છે તમને રોજ ગાળું ખાવાની?
He's telling me
बस बस डिस्कशन ओवर नाउ नो नीड इट्स ओके अब मत करना It is a cell organelle. I will explain it right now. Mehndi, get out. Okay, mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. Lysosome is called the suicide bag of the cell. Just like that, mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. Why? Because first of all, mitochondria is made up of two membranes. Okay? Outer is porous. Okay, mitochondria is made of two membranes. The outer layer is porous and the inner layer is deeply folded. Okay? First of all, mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. It has got two membranes. Outer membrane is porous and the inner membrane is deeply folded. What is it? Porous. How many cells does our body have? How many stars does the sky have in the sky? Badja. Okay? These folds increase the surface area for ATP generating chemical reactions. What is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. Okay, the full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. तो जो folds है, the inner folds in the mitochondria increase the surface area for ATP generation. जितनी ज्यादा जगह उतना ज्यादा ATP generation. Adenosine triphosphate. देखा यू? This one inner layer का. Okay. Hey, you are no more in the first standard now. The energy required for various chemical activities needed for life is released by the mitochondria in the form of ATP. लाइफ के लिए जो एक्टिविटीज करने के लिए जो एनर्जी चाहिए होती है, इट इज रिलीज्ड बाय माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. द एनर्जी वी नीड, the energy we need to do the activities and the functions are provided by the mitochondria. Okay. ATP is also known as the energy currency of the cell. ATP is also known as energy currency. Get out. Come outside. Come outside. Come outside. आ जाओ, बाहर आ जाओ, बाहर आ जाओ. मैं रचिता मैम को बुलाऊं, रचिता मैम को बुलाऊं मैं. आ जाओ बाहर. आई कैन नॉट हियर यू. You go, but don't come back. बैठ जाओ. बस बस बस. एनर्जी करेंसी. Okay. ATP is also known as the energy currency of the cell. Moin. Energy currency of the cell. Energy currency. ATP generation with the help of the folds. Okay. The body uses energy, but the body will use energy in the form of ATP. ATP होगी तो बॉडी को एनर्जी मिलेगी फंक्शन करने के लिए. Okay. And mitochondria are strange organelles in the sense that they have their own DNA. Now, no other cell has their own DNA. Okay. No other cell has their own DNA. Only and only mitochondria has their own DNA. No, it is not in the form of ATP, but it makes ATP. It generates ATP. Okay. Mitochondria are able to make some of their own proteins. Because it has their own DNA, it can also make its own proteins. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's revise now. Mitochondria. वापस नहीं आ रही. Get out. Okay. हाँ. This point, it's one and the same, only this point is different. बस सामने लियो अब 1 मिनट बस. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. One thing, mitochondria has got two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. Outer membrane is porous. Inner membrane is folded. It is folded. Okay. ATP synthesis is occurring on the inner folds of the mitochondria. Okay. ATP synthesis is done on the inner folds of mitochondria. Another point, mitochondria has their own DNA, so it can make their own proteins. Okay. It generates ATP. What is the full form of ATP? ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. What is ATP? It is the energy currency of the cell. It is used to generate energy to perform our functions. ATP is known as the energy currency of the cell. Okay? समझ में आया? Repeat करूं. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It has got two membranes, inner membrane and outer membrane. Outer membrane is porous. Synthesis occurs of energy currency of. Other than that, and it can make their own proteins. Okay. Proteins. It is the short form of protein. We can write proteins like this. Want that outside? बाहर जाए? Stay out. Okay? Understood? चलो लाइसोसोम बोलो. लाइसोसोम. पहले खड़े हो जाओ. बोलो लाइसोसोम. Membrane bound organelle. Then what does it do? पूछ्या वगैरह अब उभो ना था तो. It has digestive enzymes. It has got digestive enzymes. Then what does it do? It converts complex substance into simple substance. Then only side is the bag side move. Side is then बंद कर दो आणि बारच राहा.